Hi, I am Sahil, uh, and we are from Team NullPointer. So this is a brief of the state chart that we have. I'll quickly simulate it and simulate it on a path which is this, which was given in the lab, and I'll just explain it very briefly. So the main idea is that we have a 2D array which stores uh, so every element of the 2D array represents a node, and every element, every 1D array of that 2D array stores three values: went left, went forward, and went right. It is basically a sort of memory that the bot has. So this is the starting location, and there are several assumptions as we have mentioned in the talk. The bot starts, and this is the I'll just quickly start the simulation. So this is the starting simulation, and this is the value of the sensor. So we found a straight line, and we are now going forward. So we found a straight line via the sensor values, and we are now currently going forward. Okay, so we keep on going forward, and we keep on getting this sensor values. Now, when we arrive at this junction, we get the value equal to 11100. Okay, and this is because 1 is the two left sensors, and the next one is the middle sensor, so it's 11100. So at this junction, now we have gotten into this state, and here we first of all check if the went forward for this junction is true, which it is not, because this is a new node and we have put it recently into the 2D array. So all of the three values for this node will be false. So when forward is not true. So what we'll do is we'll go forward. So we always first try to go forward and check. So we go forward, and when forward is false, so we go here and we exit here and we go forward. So we go forward on this path here. Now when we reach the end, we find that all the sensor values turn 0. So if all the sensor values, if they turn 0, uh, so that essentially means that we are here. We are at the backtrack stage. So from here, what we'll do is we'll backtrack. The bot will be facing in this direction only. We'll backtrack, and when we arrive at this node again, we again see 11100. So backtrack mein there are uh, some transition states, and we finally arrive to the from the backtrack. We see this left, right? So I'll click on that, and okay, so we have again got into the left junction, and this time the went forward is true, right? So if the went forward is true, this time we'll turn left. So our bot, which was facing in this direction, it turns left and it faces this direction, and it exits here. So we go into when I exited, we go into the forward state. This forward state is basically just giving both the wheels equal velocity, and so our bot will continue to go straight. When it arrives at this node, that time we again register a new node in the 2D array, and all the three values for it will be false. This time again the bot will try to go forward, but it will again find a white surface. the same thing which happened in this case. But in this case, the case was that we had some path here, so we tried to explore that. But here, even that won't happen, and it would just turn left. Similar would happen at this junction. At every new junction that we are encountering, we are appending it to our 2D array. So our bot is here, and this time it's a right turn. So nice, we append this node to the 2D array, and we encounter the value of 0 0 1 1 1. So 0 0 1 1 1, and let me click on that, and we go to the right junction. So we go to the right junction, and we again, now here there is a similar check, that is went forward equal to true? No, it's not equal to true, right? So it will try to go forward, but it will try to go forward, but it will find nothing, right? So let me just simulate it. So went forward is not equal to true. So I'll go here and I'll exit, and I'll again go to the forward state, but we'll find a, so from forward we'll find a 0 0 0, so we'll backtrack, right? We found a 0 0 0 because it was a white space. So yeah, and then again when we backtrack, we found a right, so it's basically 0 0 1 1 1. So we come here, went forward is true this time, and this time we took a we take a right turn successfully. So we take a right turn. Now right junction mein we take a right turn, and then we come forward to the come again to the forward state. So likewise, this is again a right turn, similar thing will happen, and our bot will successfully reach this junction. At this junction, it's a right turn which is similar to this junction. Just the case is that this was a left turn. So likewise, our bot will successfully cross this and this junction as well. The bot will successfully uh, go through this. And when it backtracks, when it doesn't find anything here, it there is also in the question there is this path. Uh, I guess missed that. So there is this path. So the bot will try to go here as well, and it will again not find any good path, so it will backtrack. Now here an interesting case happens. What happens at this junction is, let us try and understand this. The bot was going forward. I'll skip the simulations that were still here because it's just repetition. So when we register this as a new node, okay, first the bot tries to go forward, right? The bot tries to go forward, but it doesn't find a path. So then the went forward is set to true in the 2D array. So then when it backtracks, when it goes to the backtracking state, it finds a left path, right? And it finds a left path. So the left code is nothing but 1 1 1 0, 1 1 1 0 0. So it finds a left path, it tries to explore that. And when it's not able to explore it, as soon as it takes a left turn, we set the went left equal to true as well. So what has happened is that our went forward has also become true, and our went left has also become true. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll take a right turn. So the bot which was facing here will take a right turn. This is being implemented in the state chart. It will take a right turn, and then it will backtrack. So the bot is facing this way after taking a right turn, and then it will start to backtrack. Okay. So this was an interesting case. Then the bot reaches here, and again this is a normal case. uh, it explored the straight path, and then it has now got a left path. So again we are here at backtrack. The simulation will take a lot of time, so that's why I'm not doing it. uh, so at backtrack we encountered a left junction again, and then the went forward is also true because we checked the forward path, right? So then we had a left turn, and then we are again going forward here now. So this forward state is this, and these turns are again trivial. So this is how we'll reach our end destination. Now what happens at the end destination is that we are going forward, right? And we encountered all ones. So this is the case that is taking it into account. If we encounter all ones, or if we encounter a path like this is where this state gets activated. We see all ones. Now, if we see all ones, so this is a possible end path. So there are a couple of cases for addressing this case, that if there is a path and somewhere we find a T or a plus, So for taking that into account, there are various cases, but here we are just going ahead and we are getting five ones. So here what happens is that uh, we are still getting all five ones. So this all thing is getting kind of skipped. Uh, the sensor values are still reading one, so we reach our end state. And this was a quick short simulation of this path which was there in the question. Thank you.